Winter storm warning in effect from 9 a.m. Tuesday to noon Alaska Standard Time Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 14 inches. Where? Skagway, Dyea and the Klondike Highway. When? From 9 a.m. Tuesday to noon Alaska Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Additional details. Near sea level, the heaviest snowfall rates are expected to occur late Tuesday afternoon through evening with a change over to rain after midnight. Snow levels rise to around 800 feet by Wednesday morning with snow continuing near White Pass. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the latest road conditions, call 511 or visit 511alaska.gov.